Today's hot video is of an old guy who calls himself a linguist. What kind of a name is that? Anyway, the guy is giving fancy ass names to sounds we make every day. From to to and many more. Well, Mr. Smarty Pants, why don't you tell me what is called? Moving on, the next video is what every person should watch, old or young. Watching a 102-year-old woman base jumping is unbelievable. I can't even jump down from my bed. If you want to see a very professional and reputed news anchor, Brian Williams of NBC, rapping to Snoop Dogg's verses, then check this video out. I hope someday they rap a news telecast. That'll be fun. Check out Nothing But a G Thing, a classic Dr. Dre song on NBC. For all you geeks out there, this is your lucky day. These two are the hottest videos going around on YouTube right now. The first one is about the science of hangovers. Yes, SciShow has created a video that explains to you why hangovers happen. The second one is a breakthrough coming your way with a brain-controlled robot. Yes, it's a helicopter robot that is controlled by your thoughts. And these guys are trying to fly it through an obstacle course. Damn, I want to invent something like that for my wife. That's it for today. Tune in tomorrow to know more trending videos on YouTube. Also like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.